Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifelua. Last week guys, we talked about the 6 ways to make money online, and we touched on different digital products that you can start today and start making money online. So today guys, we are going to be creating our very first digital product, and we are going to follow 4 easy steps to create our digital product. Let's get into it. The first step to creating your digital product, researching niches and categories that are on the platform that you want to sell on. So for example, if you're going to be selling marketing templates, you could go on Etsy marketplace platform and research different marketing templates in the social media marketing, email marketing, all the different types. You put in mind researching the trends, the product content, product presentation, which of these categories are making more sales. For Etsy, there are also plugins that can aid you in researching. For example, we have Alora, which I use to research on Etsy. So if I have a category in mind, what is selling on the platform, you'll be so surprised when you use plugins like Alora to check the numbers and to check the total number of sales, reviews, the total number of products sold, and you'll be surprised to see that categories that you do not have your mind on might be what is actually selling at this time. Research the branding, the colors, the font. In that way, you know what works already, because as a beginner, you are coming into a market where people already buy from certain people. So you're trying to stand out, know what works, and build on what works. The second step will be to get your content ready before design. For your product to stand out, you need to have good content that goes with it. So for example, if you're going to be 8 marketing templates, let's say social media templates, for example, for an interior design company, you could go on ChatGPT to research content pillars for interior decor companies, social media content pillars, and that could aid you in your design process. I have a video that explains how to use ChatGPT, and I will link it to this. Like, it could be an online course, you need to have content for your online course. So you need to research on the particular field you want to create an online course for and have those content that you want to teach. It just makes your design process better and easier. So first, the second step is to get your content down, have it ready to use. The third step is to now create your template or your digital product. So when you're thinking of creating your digital product, you have to think of the easiest platform that you can use in creating. And when you're thinking of this platform, also think about the ease of sharing this product with your customers. Like, share it as a PDF, as a shareable link. Which platform are you using to sell? And on this platform, what are other people in this niche? How are they presenting or sharing their products with customers? So let's get into creating our first marketing template.
So you go on Canva, you create design, and you create for the dimensions that you want. You can also have your mood board ready. You can go to the search bar to search for mood boards for interior design. So up next, we're trying to use elements in Canva. So you can come to photos to look for images that you can use for your design. Try to stay away from the image that has the crown same icon. Those are the pro icons. So just try to use the free icons or the free elements in Canva. So we can come here, adjust our photo to fit the frame, make it centered, make everything how we want the image to look like, adjust it. You can also come to lines and shapes to use line shapes as well, just to make your design more interesting. You can also make that centered. You can also try to use transparency feature of Canva just to give it a little bit of edge. You can also use text to aid your design. You add text as well. In our mood board, we already have text that we decided to go with the mood of the aesthetics. So we're just going to change that to the color that is already on our mood board. So just to give you more contrast, we go for a lighter color. Then you adjust it again to be centered. You can change the color to see which of the colors you like best. This is where you now begin to put in your content, the content that you've created down that is related to the niche. You write that in there. You also adjust the text spacing, line spacing, and everything. Then you can also work with transparency again. So at this point, you're just trying to adjust different things. You can also bring in another text to add in, like the Instagram and do call out. You can also try to, adjust it. At this point, you're just trying to adjust everything to be positioned and centered. Up next, you can add another page where you would also go back to elements and look for another photo to use. This time around, we can do like a layering style. So this time we can also look for frames. So you can still, in the element features, you have several things that you can use in Canva in the element feature. So this time around we can look for a tablet frame just to have like pictures layerings. So this time around we are trying to create content about light. So you could look for a photo that has like lights or something just to symbolize like this is a content that this creator can, like your customers can create from. So also we can go back to elements again to look for like this square bar just to add. This time around we're trying to add text, so we need like something to place our text upon so that it is more visible. So you bring in your text and you can write the content again, all the content. That's why it's important to have your content down, because it just makes your design process easier. So this time we're going to effects to see if there is anything that we can use to spice up this design. Also this time again you adjust, making everything centered again. You can also adjust the photo behind with transparency feature just to make it, the image come pop out more. The next thing now again is to go back to elements. This time around we are doing something about before and after. So we're trying to create like a contrast between the backgrounds. So you go and bring in a square to create that contrast. You're also bringing in the grid feature of Canva. So you adjust that to the size that you want as well. You go back to the elements, bring in photos just to portray it before and after, of service. You also use text to for your customers that identify what the content is about. So use text again, using color and contrast. Bring in our Instagram and do call out again, and then adjust it all again to be centered, changing the colors just for more contrast again, dark colors on light backgrounds and so forth. So now that it's all okay, the final step is the ways of downloading. So there are several ways to download. This first way is at the collaborator link. So you want to download, you want to make sure that everybody can edit. You can click on can edit and you can copy that link. Another way is to download as a template link. You can copy that also. And another way again to download is as a PDF. So like you can get it downloaded as a PDF standard or PDF print.
So guys, these are the 4 easy steps to creating your own digital products. You could follow this not just for marketing templates but for other digital products. If you are also interested in creating marketing templates or social media templates, you can go to the link below. I'm going to put a link below in the comments where you can click to start using Canva. Digital products that involves design, I recommend using Canva because it's just so easy to use. So you can follow the link below to Canva and just get started in creating your own marketing template. So guys, for next week we are going to be creating our own digital store where we are going to list our marketing templates, list our products, other things that we can create, other strategies to aid the sale of our marketing templates. So guys, please like, share, subscribe to this channel, share with somebody that needs to start making money online, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.